I say?
Some of your politics, but now we are politics.
What I say?
Ghana should have for some person who.
Aye.
I can't remember should have for some politics and tell them we know.
What I say?
No, bit here, but you can't question some should have for sorry. She is going.
Almost all going.
She is mo.
Baby.
Sarakatema.
Almost all going.
So obi your life useless bloggers live so that for solid. I say she here.
Yes, yeah.
I say she here.
And see it.
Ishakataka.
And Lisato.
I should have for neck say you.
What I say?
Maria Kipusutana.
Mayapa.
I should have for say.
Tim.
Omuda sorry about to kuja tabla.
What's it?
And some more cano airtime. And some more can airtime.
Look correct.
Now some more can not pay so.
Aye.
I kuja tabla kwa kase. Nana danko akufodo. The way I always take taxpayers money no. I los jet no. I should have for the beer.
Sir.
I'm a soldier for the break kasa.
Hey.
Nekasa mu kwari direct your party so one day I soldier for the mark for the banner to go.
Wow.
And also the for the say. So papa bakwa. Or bass or soldier for pan and akufa do memory count.
Oh sir.
Aye.
Okay.
Play what to be a momo.
Aye.
And near my the cool so soon you know to be a momo.
Aye.
I saw your first near here mono. I look running 10%.
Oh sir.
And you man another tank akufa do na buy a yama soldier for the body part no mo just so.
Chim.
Akufa do nyo mo body bia. And akufa do akwa play. I know say Arabian case stand there. I know masam. I don't know what you talk about kasa. Who kasa soldier for
What I say?
what do you do?
I do.
What do you know? Yes, I'm fully some no.
What I say?
So the for the football.
Omububefu.
Almost some catch California to 20 people in this one. No man of one. We have politics out time. And my first of all, I'm the friend.
No from count.
I just see how. One in the mamma.
Aye.
Sarakatema.
Ejetu ato.
Almost say, and you no crack that.
Seseng.
And master the Nibia crack to that.
Seseng.
So I can say, Jenna Nakufado.
What I say?
And our president Nadia in the Nina home. And to be sorry, I'm in the Togo.
Hey.
And you no crack.
And you no crack.
We are kind of near our tie again.
Da.
Say, military happy.
So many injured.
Say, Niana Nakufado, you're that time.
Hey.
Kana fono mo hamani ati timu. Insesa na kufono beti kana fono ontie. Ano sura no he happen why no say Arabian can be. Asa Saudi Arabia here be. As when you see calm the bull swam who no fanye.
As a shake be.
Yes, I said ogubo ankasa ne asa Ghana and the company on ankasa me. Aso the for the full kasa. I'm a dark confusion between soldiers. And not a soldier for the people. I say, near Omuya Biasa soldier Nino, Nanakufa Baye, or market Trasem, and Tadia, and Papua, a Panutua, a Bano bulletproof, Wato, machine gun, Wato, bomb, Wato, bomb, and I could for the bomb.
And it sees you so.
And I check no resource. And the Rambo.
Bomb no more.
Bomb radio from
the
Nakufado. What turning in a messages for 2 years. Now, make a statement in a kaka. The personnel of the Ghana Armed Forces appreciate the numerous additions that the government has made for the smooth running of operations, including accommodation for troops and their families, vehicles to enhance mobility, review of salaries, among many others. In fact, we don't have any issue with the government because he has provided all the things that the military needs, and we lack nothing. Troops also appreciate the effort being made by the government in retooling the force with the acquisition of a number of the platforms, including warships for the Ghana Navy. Warship Nakufada to be. Armored personnel carriers for the Ghana Army, various aircraft including a strategic airlift for VIPs for use by the Ghana Air Force and many others. It is also important to state that the fighter Squadron of the Ghana Air Force is currently being retooled by the government to augment the professional posture of the Ghana Armed Forces. Let's send this warning to the general public, especially the NDC and the APP, not to drag the Ghana Armed Forces into partisan politics or else.
Okay. I said,
and this man people for no more politics na moya. Some useless politics na moya no. And then nseburu ni safuna mutino. Obi mana no so a wa hwa asoja fon beto abana togo. Chesi krowe mu. Bwensie. Krowe se ne tia na na tie. From all interviews. Obi anya chimie no. Munya chimie no. I say or else. Na je say wa hwe be drum mi wa. O ma be chairman no fo ne gwa.
I don't have to do before complain.
Now, almost as you have only play, now it's me. Can't Jack come to no partisan politics. No, I'm so one. I don't know democracy. Democracy is for civilians. Civilians here for. Almost you have democracy.
Not to bomb a bomb.
Worship, accommodation vehicles be blown here. Nana Kufa by it. Any problem, baby. Nana Kufa no betuka or Pekra, one you see a Pema yes, and no worship you come in your war vanquished. No politics, baby. Or press conference and Sasha say commander and the La Anyani by a public relation officer Ghana Armed Forces.
That's right.
I was a communication directorate. Yes, also many problem. No money politics be no more yamu de mamonye. Ghana police is the abetu just say statement yataji ready statement no. Na prophet Usu Bempa the buy for the pastor bright na do betch no. Finally omachino. Na the offenses are a threat of death, offensive conduct and possession of firearms without lawful authority.
Okay.
And the weapon has been retrieved from him. Or my weapon be a finishem. Mamin Gege when I Mamin Gege. Mamin Gege. And Mamin Gege say, send your police from Okoche, Name to Betch and Yapapa. I am for so 10 time, sir. Mammy, I got that question. Jimmy, some will put the power so growing. That's one of some. Where are your fresh video crowd? Mummy, got here, Mamin Gege. Interesting tea. Benefit to be a woman free, a grada one tea. Or more percent, or more just say Ghana's every I thank God, say, update Saba. Update Saba. Big ups to Honorable Kandapa. Big ups to Honorable Kandapa. Big ups to BNI boss. CN the boss. Police ministry now police if when you are shamasino. I am it say ya update system but no what some say some will assembly can excellent and paying for ya yet to TV will fear yan to teme be big dinner be ISA now me dear say ya can't so much in a penny in a bit to penny not and get me platform way. I will be able to say disrespected penny be.